Want to create cartoon animation videos on Canva like these? Then be sure to watch till the end. First, go to the video and select the video landscape. Go to Elements and search for Street. From here, choose the background you like. Then resize it like this. Then go to Elements and search for Walking. Click this and select Animated. Choose what you like. And make sure to resize it. Next, click on Animate and select Create an Animation. Then, press the Shift button while dragging the arrow. Click on the movement styles and choose Steady. So this is what it looks like. Be sure to download it. Click on Share, then Download, and make it an MP4. Here's the final result. Now I want to show you a second way of how to do an animation video. Go to Elements and search for your background and resize it. Next, add your walking element and resize. Position it in the center. Click on the background, go to Animate, then click on Click an Animation and press Shift while dragging the arrow on the background. Once done, go to Movement Styles and select Steady. Then click Done. And there you have it. Want more Canva tips and hacks? Comment down yes. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. See you on my next video.